Who invented calculus? Many say it's Isaac Newton or Leibniz. What if history wasn't that simple? Nearly 3 centuries before Newton was born, in the quiet village of Sangamagrama in Kerala, lived a mathematician named Madhava. While the world struggled to calculate numbers like pi with precision, Madhava discovered a remarkable method. Instead of searching for a single answer, he created an infinite mathematical process that produced increasingly accurate results. His work laid the foundation for ideas that would later become central to calculus and numerical mathematics. Yet, despite his extraordinary contributions, his name remains largely unknown in the world of mathematicians. This is the story of the forgotten father of infinity. The Leibniz series was originally founded by Madhava before Leibniz was even born. Yet, in many schools and colleges, it is still called Leibniz series and not Madhava-Leibniz series. Madhava's greatest achievement was developing infinite series. Today's computers solve many complex problems through approximation and repeated calculations, from weather forecasting and computer graphics to artificial intelligence. Modern systems often rely on numerical methods built upon centuries of mathematical progress. Madhava's work reminds us that the journey toward modern computing began long before the computer itself. History remembers famous names, but mathematics remembers every idea. Madhava's legacy is a powerful reminder that some of the world's greatest discoveries can remain hidden for centuries, waiting to be rediscovered. Thank you.